Today we are going to discuss how to confirm the employee's probation officially. Let's get started with the navigation. First, log in on your Zimyo HRMS portal using your login credentials. This will take you to your dashboard. Then go to the Employees option and click on Employees Master. And here you will see all your employees. Then go to the right side and click on three dots. Here you will see probation, click on it. And here you will send probation feedback form. Confirm or extend probation. And fill the date. Then click on Proceed button. Now probation confirmation has sent successfully.